Hi everyone. Now I'm going to show you a tool you can use to check your lot sizes and you're working them out correct. It's called a position size calculator, and I normally show students the one through my FX book because it's rather simple and it makes it a lot easier than some of the other calculators that are out there. So what we've done, we've entered the website and you can see that the account currency, so we're going to set that into dollars. Account size, we'll call it 1,000. We want to risk in fact, we do 2,000 like our example, and we want to risk 2%. Okay, and our stop loss is going to be 10 pips. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to calculate that now. So it's showing you that we can also switch to money. It's showing you that we're risking $40 in this case. So 2%. We are literally going to be using 0.40. So that's about $4 a pip. Times by our 10 pip stop loss. There it is. There's our amount risk. So this is just a quick way to show you exactly what I showed you in the video on how to work lot sizes out. But if you're unsure, please use the position size calculator just to check your work.